Okay, this is the second problem in the projection of straight lines inclined to both the planes. What is that? First, read the problem. A line AB 90 mm long is inclined to 30 degrees to the HP. Its LDA is 12 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of it. Its front view measures 65 mm. Draw the top view and determine its inclinations with vertical plane. Here not given both inclinations, only one inclination given. First write down given data. So data I am write down. Okay. What is the total is given? It is 90 mm. Okay. Incline at 30 degrees, incline to 30 degrees to the HP. So with HP means it is theta 30 degrees. The phi is not given, that is you have to determine with vertical plane phi. The point here, and here means it is a point here. The point here how much is given? 12 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of it. 20 mm in front of vertical plane. Okay. Now its front view measures. Its front view measures. Length of the front view is given here. What is given? 65. Okay. Now draw the top view and determine its inclinations with vertical plane. Now how we will draw this one? Draw first XY line. Draw XY line. So this is XY. Okay. Here, what is the first? You have to go to always the point. Okay. First the point A. First you can draw the point A. How much is given? 12 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of HP. Means that which quadrant? With the first quadrant. First quadrant means above X1 is the front view, below X1 is the top view. Simply 12 above. Now draw 12 mm above HP. So this is how much? A dash. This is 12 mm. Okay. And 20 mm in front of it means that it is the below X1 and top view. Okay. This is what? This is 20 mm. This is A. Okay. A dash and A. It is over. It is completed. Point A. Now go for theta inclination 30 degrees. Theta is here line above X1 and it is theta inclined direction means it is above, inclined direction means it is below because it is the first quadrant. Okay. So draw the 30 degrees line, 30 degrees angle line, and it should be equal to this is A dash to B1 dash. A dash to B1 dash. It should be an angle 30 degrees. And what is the length? A dash to B1 dash? It is the true length that is equal to 90 mm. It should be equal to 90 mm. This length should be equal to 90 mm. This is inclined to HP and another one it is parallel to BP. We know about the case 1. It is inclined to HP parallel to BP. Now draw the perpendicular line. Means that it is the vertical line. This is the parallel line. Means that it is the horizontal line. With the projections, it is the vertical line. It is the horizontal line. Now we will projecting on this one. This is B1. Okay, it is over. It is completed. Now go for this is completed theta angle. Okay. Now go for length of the front view. What is how much is given length of the front view? It is 65. Length of the front view means A dash to up to B2 dash. Now extend this one until you will get the how much length it should be equal to 65. This is 65 B2 dash. So this is B2 dash 65. This is B2 dash 65. Okay. It is completed. This should be equal to 65. A dash to B2 dash. Now how we will get the final candidate final top? Now go for draw the perpendicular line from the B2 dash. Vertical line. This is the line, projector line. Okay. Now A center, how much true length it is given? 90 mm. Cut the arc on this line. Cut the arc on this line, you get the corresponding B2 dash. So this is B. Okay. Now join line is with the help of the scale. Scale. This is an angle phi. You have to find out this phi because it determines its inclination with vertical plane. Okay. Now it is completed. Next one. We are having ending points of the two lines. So draw the what is this one? Draw the that is locus of B dash. Through the ending point. This is what? Locus of B dash. locus of B dash. Okay, this is the ending point. Here also ending point. Here also draw the locus of B, which is parallel to the xy line. So this is equal to locus of B. Okay, the ending point, the line should be passing to the ending point, which is parallel to the xy line. Here also the line which is passing to the ending point, and it is parallel to the xy line. Okay. Now to get the final 25 how you get? So A dash center, take a compass. A dash to B2 dash as length. Draw an arc onto this line, onto the locus line. This is the direction of the arrow. We mean that the curve, and we will get the final. This is B dash. Okay. So this is B dash. Right. Now it is next one is A to B1. A center. So take as length. Mark onto the locus of B. Will get the final outcome. Okay. Now join these two, and join these two will get the final front view and final turn. Join these two will get the final front view, final turn. So these two and these two. Okay. Now what is the true length? We show the length here. Draw the two lines, which is distance between these two are 0.5 centimeter. Now write the letters. It is the true length. True length equal to, you know the letters, that is 90. True length equal to 90. Okay. Now what is the front view length? Length of the front. Here also draw the two lines, which is the distance between these two lines are 0.5 centimeter. This is what? Length of the front. So this is length of front. That is equal to how much? How much? That is length of the front will equal to 65. 65. And you will find out the phi angle. Phi angle you will find out with the help of the protractor. Keep the protractor. This line. This is the true line. This line how much angle? That shown on the protractor. That will here note down the value of the phi angle. Okay. So this is the complete diagram for this diagram. Very easy. If you understand the concept of the projections of straight line inclined to both the points, if you understand the concept, that is very easy for this problem, solving the problems. So this is alpha, this is beta. Okay. If it is not asking, don't require these two, alpha and beta. If it is asking, alpha and beta are also required. With the help of the protractor, we will find out the angle alpha, find out the angle beta. Okay. So that is the completion of this total diagram. Finally, we will get the final pattern, final top view. These two are very dark lines. These two are A dash and B dash, and A, B. The final pattern, final top view, those two are dark lines. The remaining all lines are very thin lines. The projector lines, these are projector lines. Okay, these are also very thin lines. The projector line should be always very thin lines. The point should be dark line. Here the point, 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 here the point. The point, where is the point? Where is the letter is there, that is the point. Okay, this is the point. The point. Here also, what is point A? 12 mm above. We draw the parallel to the xy line. Draw an arc like this. We show the length. How much length it is equal to? 12 mm above. This is 12. And this one is 25. This is 20. This is how much? This is 20. So this is the final diagram for this problem. Thank you.